All right, so let's move on to number 3. 7 fish that Garifuna eat. Let's go with number 3, red snapper.
Well, red snapper is one of my all-time favorites. I love to use red snapper, of course, in Hotutu, in Machuca, but I really love to use red snapper in Bundica. Bundica is, it's grated green banana and, seasoned with a little bit of black pepper and salt. And I like to put a little bit of garlic in there for flavor. And then you cook it in coconut milk, to make the cere la sauce. And then you add that red snapper in there. Oh my goodness, it's so delicious.
Yeah, red snapper is definitely a lean fish, high in protein with about 170 calories and 35 grams of protein per 6-ounce serving. So it is a great fish. I love it personally. So